My name is Esteban Alderando, and this is my fiance Andrea Ferris, and we're building the Waterstone Line Bellhaven. So far, in our experience, our favorite thing has been the design studio experience. So about the design studio experience that we've liked was the variety of options, the color selection, Shelley's amazing help throughout the process, and
the organization, the scheduling, the being able to ponder our decisions and change things if needed, the simplicity.
what sets Shaw apart from other builders has been, honestly, so far, everything's been honest up front from the beginning. And just the quality of the construction and the model homes we've looked at throughout this process.
Attention to detail.
Attention to detail from everybody involved so far. So what advice would we give to somebody that's thinking about building? I'd say go to as many model homes as possible as you can to get ideas, take lots of pictures, and
do your homework.
Yeah, your consultant will give you a lot of homework for colors and ideas, so don't fall behind on that.